Good morning, dear students. I am your class teacher, Miss Kusum. Today I am teaching you a topic which is named as articles. All of you know very well about the articles. So there are three types of articles. How many types? Three types. What are those? A, an, and the. So we will learn where we have to put a, we have to put an, and where we have to use the. So firstly I am telling you about the a article. So a is used with singular common noun. So we use a article with the singular common noun. How? For example, dash book. Now book is a common noun. It can be any book. English book, Hindi book, maths book, any book. So we are talking about the book that is a common noun here. So what we use the a article. One thing I want to tell you that there are 26 alphabets, all of you know very well, and 5 are the vowels and the remaining are the consonants. So A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are the vowels and the rest, those remain, that will be considered as consonant. But while using the articles, we don't just see the alphabets, we consider the sounds. So whenever you have vowel sound, at that time you remember one thing, that you have to use an. So for example, dash umbrella. Now here in umbrella, umbrella. So a sound is coming. So we will put here an. Like I am giving you one more example. For example, dash European. Now here European, here is E is vowel, but the sound is not vowel. So we will put here a European. So hope you have understood this thing. Now we will talk about the third article, that is the. So where we have to put the. The main thing is that whenever we have to use the article, we consider the particular person or thing, not any person or thing. Whenever we talk about the particular person, a specific person or thing, we use the article the. Suppose I am saying you, give me a book. Give me a book. Now I am talking about any book. Any book. It can be any book, so I have put here a. If I am saying that give me the book you are reading, now I am talking about the specific book that which you are reading, I want that book, so I will write the book. Give me the book you are reading. So it's the first rule to use the article. So now the second rule is that whenever we have to use the directions, we have 4 directions: east, west, north and south. Whenever we talk about the directions, we use the article. For example, the east, the west, the north, the south, like this. And the third one is whenever we talk about the newspapers, titles of newspaper, for example, the Tribune, the Times of India, there we have to put the article. Like this. And the fourth one is that with the names of river, oceans, lakes, we use the article the. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Saraswati, like this. So hope you have understood the topic articles. Now I am giving you a work that you have to do. There you have to use the article a, an and the. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, thanks a lot.